Okay, so here we have P and we have Q, and the first part is to find the scalar product, the dot product. And so in doing so, if I do P dot Q, it is just going to be, I'm going to take the x values multiplied, so 2 times a negative 2 is or negative 1 is negative 2, plus 3 times 0 is 0, plus negative 1 times 2 gives me a negative 2, and so the dot product is negative 4. So this is equal to negative 4. And then B part says find the angle between them. Well, I know that P dot Q is equal to the square root of P. Oh, no, it's not. It's equal to the magnitude of P times the magnitude of Q cosine theta, where theta is the angle between. I have some P, some Q, and here is theta between those two vectors. So I already have the left-hand side of my equation. I get that is equal to negative 4. Magnitude of P is going to be 2 squared plus 3 squared plus a negative 1 squared, coming from here, squaring them all. Similarly, when I go to the other side, to Q, I get 1 squared, negative 1 squared, 0 squared, and 2 squared, which is 1 squared plus 0 squared plus 2 squared, and then it is cosine theta. And so negative 4 is equal to, well, this is 4 plus 9 plus 1 is the square root of 14. This is 1 plus 0 plus 4 is the square root of 5 cosine theta. So cosine of theta, then, is negative 4 over square root 14, square root 5. And so now I just go to my calculator and use the power of it. I'm going to make sure that I am in degree mode. That seems to work well. So I'm going to go second cosine, negative 4 divided by the square root of 14 times 5. I can put them both underneath the same square root, and that will give me 118.56 degrees. Now, be careful, it says for the acute angle. So I have P and I have Q, something like this, where this is 118. Well, recognize that P and Q are vectors, right? So this is also the acute angle between them. So if I go 180 minus this, if I subtract 180, oh, what happened? Minus my answer here, I get my actual acute angle is equal to 61.4 degrees. Be careful of the question, it's asking for acute. And because I know vectors are going like this, here my P and Q, here's the one angle, but there's the acute angle. So using the dot product to help us find angles is really important.